Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Trade with the Magic Candles. I hope everyone is doing good. This is the disclaimer friends. As you people know, we start with the indices Nifty and Bank Nifty. This is the Nifty chart friends. What the chart was making was first of all it was making the lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and the time came when it took the support over the 200-day moving average with a big engulfing candle. So later on it went up and came down. There was a hurdle here which was breached. The last high was breached and again made the double top at the level of resistance. Then again it came to the 200-day moving average. Again it is making a series of dojis. Series of dojis. With this pattern, what will be the next analysis? First thing friends, this is making the channel here. Okay, this is making the channels here. We will delete all this. It is there of now using. So first of all, it is making the channel here. It is going with the channel. The next thing friends, if we consider this as the zone, so it might consolidate here only, or with a series of dojis. To confirm the upward or downward movement, it has to breach either upward or downward. So then we will consider it for the next move. When we go for the weekly chart, on weekly basis it has made what you call it, the bullish harami, that too on the support level. So it might go here and come back, it might go here and come back. This might become the trading range in the parallel way. It might go with the channel making this as the top and this as the bottom, or it may break down here also, it may go up also. Then it should breach for the confirmation. Again when it comes here, this also becomes the major double top pattern. So we should wait for the Nifty. Then coming back to Bank Nifty. See, on weekly basis it has got nothing to do. I don't think there is much pattern here. This is all in the range on weekly basis. On daily also it is making the same pattern as the Nifty with a double bottom and at the level of 200-day moving average with a series of dojis making the range here. So it has to break down or it has to break up. That's for the Nifty and Bank Nifty friends. Coming back to the individual friends, Taj Jivika Hotel Center stock is looking very good for the, as because it is in the good consolidation zone. Along with that, it has made a good morning star signal at the level of support friends. Of course, it is in the trading zone, a big consolidation zone. We have to immediately put this stock into our watch list. So and observe for the break here for 6 months to 1 year. It is very good for it is looking very good. This company's fundamentals and business is also very good. I have gone through the business and business models and the fundamentals and the businesses. It is doing very good. In future it might do very good. Then the next company analysis is the Orient Technologies Limited. This is also looking very good. So on technically basis it is looking good. On fundamentally and it is company, when you go through the company, this is the technology company, and innovative IT solution business. It has got its developing business in cases with the IT solutions for the digital age. Seamless cloud integrations, integrated blockchain technology for a top ranked business school friends. So when we look into the company, this is also very good technologically good company friends. I remember I made an entry of KPIT Technologies. This was the company where I purchased in the year of 2020 friends and exited. So this was the price the price which I entered was at this candle, friends. It was nearly around 136 or nearly below 140. Do you know what is the price right now? Of course, I exited at this level. Do you know the exact price now? See, do you know the price here? See, it reached up to nearly 2000 price. So the same thing is looking with the Orient Technologies, friends. Really, it is wonderful. The same concept, the same pattern is looking with the Orient Technologies right now, friends. This is not a stock recommendation. You just keep an eye on this. This is also fantastic to go in another 1 to 2 years. Next company is the Mazda Limited. It deals with it is having a business of vacuum division, operator division, food division, heat transfer division, chill division, air pollution control. So it is having petrol refinery, petrochemicals, chemicals and pesticides, steel industry. When you go to the chart, this technical chart of Mazda, of course it is in a trading, of course it is in a consolidation range, but it is making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and it is breaching the last highs repeatedly. It has breached the last high, it has breached the last high, it has breached the last high. Last Friday it has closed, it has breached and closed very nicely above the last high. And do you know what is the support, friends? This is the 200 day moving average. It made a huge consolidation over the 200 day moving average, and it has taken support, and it is making higher highs, higher lows, and it is breaching the last highs, last lows, last highs, last lows, making higher highs, higher lows. Again, of course, it is the big hurdle over the top, but before if you want to catch it before only, we can keep the SL on the Dow theory, and we can go through the go through the company just to have a watch list, just to have a eye on the company, keep it in the watch list. The next company is Ganesh Green Bharat Limited, friends. Wow, what a business model, friends, spreading the wave of green energy across India. They are manufacturing solar panels, lithium battery. These are their latest projects, friends. See, these are all their latest products, their projects in future. Of course, you are having many companies like Suzlon Energy and all. I don't know about the company of Suzlon, but this is looking very good for me, as because this is having a very good company fundamentals, and it is having good projects, and it is having a good management and good aims and infrastructure, and they are having good future, friends. On technical chart, it is not having much data, friends, as because this company came with an IPO in this year in the month of in June or July, so we don't have any much data, but it is very good, friends. So we can have and watch, and we can keep it in our watch list, but we are having very good business model, friends. Very nice one. Next one is the Banco products, friends. Do you know why I am showing this chart? The analysis what I am making in the stocks, the same analysis I made, and I entered this stock in the month of January 2024, and I made a good profit. I exited with the good profit due to my commitment. So due to my commitments, I exited here. So always the amount invested in the stock market should be very much commitment free. I purchased here with the stop loss here. Of course, it came once or twice, but couldn't close below this one. So it made a good profits. In future also, it is having good future and good trend also. So that's it for the video, friends. That's it for the day. If you like the videos, if you like the patterns, if you like my study, please share with the people in this field. It might really help them. There are so many things to explain. If I go on exploring the things, I will give n number of examples, n number of companies. Extract the information from my videos and keep updating your knowledge. Thank you very much for kindly listening, friends. Bye. See you.